Here we have a lot of videos and they are opened by Media Player Classic Home Cinema. And I want to select which video to keep and which video to delete. So I will seek forward to see if I like something. If not, I just press the delete key. And then it's on a blank screen. To load the next video I have to press page down. And then it is showing the next video. And I can delete this one if I want. But how to get rid of this blank screen and how to make Media Player Classic Home Cinema automatically load the next video without pressing the page down button. To do that, come here to View, Options, Playback, and after Playback it's set to do nothing. Well, play the next file in the folder and close it with OK. And now if I close this one, open a video, and let's say I don't want this one, so I press delete. Now it's showing the next video automatically without me pressing the page down key, so delete and the next video is shown.